What's up? It's like pause. And I just got done creating a Kawaii zombie book cover to go along with my zombie coloring book using nothing but AI. Really cool, really fast. I'm going to show you the book cover at least, how I used an AI book cover generator to create my book cover again for this Kawaii zombie book. Make sure you check it out. Watch this video until the very end. If you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comments section. I'll be happy to answer them. And if you like videos like this and on this type of subject, make sure to like and subscribe because more is coming very soon. Hey, so here we are inside of Nurie Creator, brand new book cover generator software, AI driven book cover generator. Okay. So first thing I want to do, well, the default size is 8.5 by 11, which is very good standard. Most coloring books are done this way, but another really cool book size is 8.5 by 8.5. Okay. You also want to always want to add. So it's automatically adjusted for this book size. You also want to add the page count. Let's put in a book of 80 pages, right? So basically 40 coloring pages and 40 blank pages. Very good. You can change the color, whatever color you want, but we are going to use an AI image. So let's not worry about that right now. I want to scroll to the bottom here. If you want to, you can just add your cover title and cover author, but I just want to do it myself. I want to eyeball it. I'll show you how in a second. Show a short description of your cover. I'm going to put in Kawaii zombie, okay? Like that. Kawaii zombie, okay? Now, if I want to show the back cover options, I can, but I'm not going to. It's very simple to do it just like this. I recommend it. You just keep it nice and simple, especially if this is the first book cover you're creating. And like I said, this tool does it all for you, basically. Okay, very good. We have our front cover, and you can see the back shares the same color as the front, right? It bleeds purple into the back cover, the front to back. Really good. Again, this is where you see the zombie is the front. Where it's just purple, that's the back. That's all we need, okay? Now we want to hit this add text button here. I want to change it to one of my favorite coloring book fonts, which is OK. Let's go to OK, like that. I want to increase the thickness, the line thickness to 3. And let's put in coloring book, like that. Let's stretch that out a bit, like that. Let's bring that up again. There we go. Let's bring that down here, coloring book. And I'm going to add some more text. I'm going to write this. I'm going to write this in Kawaii zombie. Now remember, you always want to make sure that your title within the coloring book front page and your title on your Amazon KDP listing, gotta make sure that they're the same. Really important. Okay, I'm gonna increase the size on this main title here, and I'm gonna move it around. Actually, let's stretch that out like that. Let's change the inside color. Let's make it yellow. Why not? Like that. And it's gonna change color. Oh, sorry, let me highlight that again. There we go. Very good. Bring that up here. Kawaii zombie. Very good looking cover so far. Now check this out. In the back here, we want a simple tagline. Okay. Simple tagline. Enjoy coloring these cute zombies, right? Now, of course, this is way too big. Let's bring it down. Let's bring it down all the way to, I don't know. Let's go with 30, just 30. Perfect, like that. Stretch that out. We don't want that in the front. We want that in the back. And let's make it shorter. Sorry, let's bring the text in a little bit more. Perfect. 24. Perfect. Okay, just like that. And now we're going to add some images here. So you want to go to this upload image button. And I got some of my interior right here. I'm going to add this. This is way too big, so I'm going to shrink it down and bring it right over here. Same thing with the next one. I'm going to add another one. Let's go with this one here. Shrink it down. Okay. And maybe you want to line it up with the one we just did so that we know it's the same size. And it's going to snap into place just like that. And we're done. It's very simple, very easy to do, as you can see. And all I got to do is click download PDF. And let's see what we got here. Perfect. Okay, we got enjoy coloring these cute zombies, Kawaii zombie coloring book all done. I have my PDF. I have my interior. All I got to do now is go to Amazon KDP and list it on there for free. Get that passive royalties in. Start earning. If you want, you can even throw ads at this. It's that simple. If you want to create coloring books like this nice and fast and easy, make sure you check out the link below and you can get access to this ASAP. Okay, be good, take care, and have a wonderful day.